Have you ever wondered how the ancient Egyptians, without the benefit of modern technology, managed to build the pyramids, one of the most magnificent and enduring structures in the world? These towering edifices, nestled in the sandy landscapes of Egypt, have long been sources of enchantment and intrigue. The pyramids have captured humanity's imagination for millennia, their impressive forms tantalizing scholars and explorers who have dedicated their lives to uncovering the secrets hidden beneath their stone facades. The construction methods of these majestic structures have been a subject of persistent conjecture and debate amongst historians, archaeologists, and the general public alike. Without the aid of contemporary machinery or tools, how were these massive monuments erected? This question has fueled relentless speculation that continues to this day. Despite popular belief, emerging evidence suggests that the awe-inspiring pyramids were not built by oppressed slaves as many once believed. On the contrary, it's now believed they were constructed by a dedicated workforce of skilled laborers. These artisans, masons, and engineers had an intricate understanding of their craft and took immense pride in their work, making their accomplishment even more staggering. The dedication of these laborers was not in vain. The pyramids, in all their grandeur and precision, are a testament to the engineering prowess and ingenuity of the ancient civilization that thrived thousands of years ago. The technical expertise, the attention to detail, and the sheer scale of their work continue to astound modern engineers and architects. Historians and archaeologists from every corner of the earth continue to debunk traditional narratives and shed new light on the history of these architectural marvels. Each discovery brings us a step closer to understanding the incredible culture that gave birth to these wonders. The pyramids beckon us to question, to explore, and to seek out the untold stories etched in their stone. Are you ready to delve into the past and unravel the secrets of these fascinating structures? The story of the pyramids begins around 2700 BC during the reign of Pharaoh Djoser. As the third pharaoh of the Third Dynasty, Djoser directed his royal architect, Imhotep, to design a fitting burial tomb that incorporated the grandeur of his reign. This request saw the birth of the pyramid construction, a significant change from the previously prevalent rectangular tombs known as mastabas. The very first pyramid to adorn Egypt's landscape wasn't the familiar smooth-sided structure that we associate with the country today. Instead, it was a step pyramid, designed to resemble stacked mastabas, rising in 6 terraces to reach a height of around 200 feet. The step pyramid of Djoser symbolized the pharaoh's celestial connection. The design of the pyramid didn't remain static with the step pyramid. Determined to push the boundaries of their knowledge and craftsmanship, the architects and engineers of the ancient world were continually refining their designs. Over time, the original step pyramid design evolved into the iconic, smooth-sided pyramid that has become an emblem of Egypt. This change was a result of constant experimentation and enhancement in design tactics. A noteworthy example of this evolution is the bent pyramid of Sneferu, which represents an intermediate step towards the classic pyramid shape. Its lower half has a sharper angle than the upper half, signifying a mid-construction modification likely due to signs of structural instability. Eventually, the architects of ancient Egypt perfected their design with the Red Pyramid, also built by Sneferu. This marked the first successful construction of a true smooth-sided pyramid. It set the standards for all subsequent pyramid constructions, leading to the architectural wonders of the Great Pyramids of Giza. Over the centuries, the evolution set the stage for the construction of the famous Great Pyramids of Giza. This incredible journey from simple mastabas to the Grand Pyramids of Giza bears witness to the exceptional ingenuity, ambition, and relentless pursuit of perfection that were hallmarks of the ancient Egyptians. The evolution of pyramid design set the stage for the construction of the most famous of all pyramids, the Great Pyramids of Giza. The grandest testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians is undoubtedly the Great Pyramids of Giza. These marvels, located on the Nile's western bank, are awe-inspiring examples of ancient engineering. The largest, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, is thought to be built from over 2.5 million stone blocks. The sheer manpower needed to move these blocks without today's machinery is difficult to fathom. This Herculean task was carried out using ramps and levers, showing the Egyptians' advanced understanding of physics and engineering. The precision in the construction of these pyramids is also remarkable. The base of the Great Pyramid is leveled to within less than an inch. Its sides align perfectly with the cardinal points. This level of accuracy was achieved without any modern surveying equipment. The three pyramids were constructed by successive pharaohs: Khufu, his son Khafre, and grandson Menkaure. Each pyramid was part of a larger complex encompassing a temple, a causeway, a valley temple, and a mortuary temple. These complexes were far more than tombs. They were worship sites, symbolizing the divine status granted to the pharaohs. The Pyramid of Khufu, or the Great Pyramid, is the oldest and largest, originally standing almost 480 feet high. Khafre's pyramid, though slightly smaller, seems taller because of its higher position. The smallest pyramid, Menkaure's, still reaches an impressive 213 feet. The Great Pyramids of Giza are truly a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the ancient Egyptians. They still stand tall thousands of years after their construction. The secrets housed within these structures and the stories they could narrate continue to captivate us, luring us further into the mysteries of the ancient world. The pyramids were not only architectural marvels, but also held deep cultural and religious significance for the ancient Egyptians. Picture, if you can, an ancient society where the idea of the afterlife was as tangible and real as everyday life. This was the experience of the ancient Egyptians, a civilization steeped in mystical traditions and spiritual beliefs. The pyramids, towering above the sands of the desert, were the grandest expressions of these beliefs, conceived as eternal homes for their revered pharaohs, who were seen as godlike figures. The pyramid's distinctive triangular form held deep symbolism. The pointed apex was viewed as a representation of the pharaoh's ascent to join the divine in the heavenly realm. These gigantic structures was far more than a demonstration of impressive engineering skills. It was a profoundly holy undertaking. The physical toil required in their construction was perceived as a form of devotion, a path to ensuring a blessed afterlife not just for the pharaoh, but for everyone participating in the project. Every pyramid was so much more than just a burial site. It was an intricate complex that housed temples and smaller pyramids, all meticulously designed to pay homage to the pharaoh and the gods. The creation of a pyramid started as soon as a new pharaoh ascended the throne, and it was thought of as his life's mission, a testimony to his reign and his transition to the afterlife. Additionally, the pyramids were indicative of the social stratification in ancient Egyptian society. The larger and grander pyramid, the more powerful was the pharaoh. The legendary Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, was constructed by Pharaoh Khufu, traditionally considered one of the mightiest rulers of ancient Egypt. The ancient Egyptians embraced a cyclical perspective of time, with life, death, and rebirth, all seen as interconnected stages of existence. The pyramids, with their scale and precise alignment with celestial bodies, were an eloquent symbol of this belief. They were conceived not just as tombs, but as portals, bridges between the earthly realm and the divine. Such were the pyramids, structures that were as much spiritual as they were physical. They were a testament to the ancient Egyptians' deep-seated beliefs in life after death, their reverence for their rulers, and their intricate understanding of the cosmos. The pyramids, in all their grandeur, were a reflection of the ancient Egyptians' beliefs in life after death, and their respect for their rulers. Thousands of years later, the pyramids continue to captivate us, standing as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Today, these structures are much more than historical remnants. As a World Heritage Site, they attract millions of tourists annually. Their allure lies not just in their historical significance, but also in the mysterious secrets they guard. They offer glimpses into a bygone era that still holds influence today. They've transformed from pharaohs' tombs to symbols of Egypt's heritage, yet their essence remains unchanged. The pyramids, a symbol of human achievement, continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of our past and propelling us towards the future.